When oxygen levels drop at home, families often rush to arrange oxygen support. But one question creates confusion: oxygen cylinder or oxygen concentrator? Choosing without understanding the difference can create avoidable stress during recovery. Why oxygen stability matters. Oxygen therapy is not just about starting oxygen. It is about maintaining a stable, uninterrupted oxygen flow as prescribed. In many respiratory conditions, interrupted oxygen supply can worsen breathlessness and delay recovery. An oxygen cylinder stores compressed medical oxygen inside a metal tank. It works immediately and is useful for emergencies, short-term support, patient transport. But the key limitation is clear: the oxygen supply is limited and finishes. During home care, cylinders can become stressful for families. Caregivers must keep checking oxygen levels, track remaining hours, arrange urgent refills, handle heavy cylinder movement. If oxygen runs low during the night or sudden breathlessness, it can create real panic at home. An oxygen concentrator works differently. It extracts oxygen from room air and delivers it continuously. As long as electricity is available, the machine can provide steady oxygen support. Most home units support 5 liters per minute or 10 liters per minute, depending on medical need. For patients needing oxygen for days or weeks, concentrators are usually more practical because they provide continuous oxygen, remove refill dependency, reduce caregiver stress, support smoother home recovery. The device must always match the prescribed flow rate. Oxygen is a prescribed medical therapy and should always follow doctor guidance. UNO Supply provides reliable oxygen concentrators and cylinders on rent with proper setup support for home care. Safe oxygen support at home when it matters most.